Airplane Beijing International Airport, Beijing Capital International Airport, PK. Beijing Capital International Airport, IATA code, PK, is the main and oldest international airport serving Beijing, the capital of China. It is one of the busiest and largest airports in the world. The original gateway since 1958, located 32 km northeast of downtown Beijing in Shuni District. Ziaha-hadi.com, +15. Wikipedia, +15. ChinaAirlineTravel.com, +15. Handles 67 million passengers annually, making it the busier of the two airports. Terminals. Terminal 1, primarily domestic, compact in size. Terminal 2, supports Hainan Airlines, SkyTeam, and other international carriers. Terminal 3, opened in 2008 for the Olympics. Designed by Foster and Partners to resemble a soaring dragon. It spans 1.3 million m superscript 2 and was built to handle up to 50 million passengers by 2020.
Design and features. T3 features an aerodynamic roof and dragon-like form, blending modern technology with traditional Chinese symbolism. ChinaHighlights.com. SAC-D. FosterandPartners.com. SAC-D. Palrum Industries Ltd. SAC-D. Ground Transportation Center, GTC, seamlessly connects the huge terminal via APM shuttles, trains, buses, and taxis. Architectural Digest. Plyfast. FosterandPartners.com. Plyfast. Anna.co.jp. Plyfast. Regular shuttle buses link all terminals. Amenities and services. T3 offers a wide variety of dining, shopping, lounges, and entertainment options. However, some travelers mention long walking distances and feel T2 is dated and dull, despite good facilities in T1. International Airport Review. +2, Wikipedia. +2, ChinaAirlineTravel.com. +2, Skytrax. Award-winning in cleanliness, service, and security. Frequently recognized by Airports Council International and Condé Nast. Arrival and immigration process. Flight disembarkation and arrival. International flights land primarily at Terminal 3 or T2, signs direct. U2 arrival halls and baggage claim areas. Health and quarantine screening. You may undergo a health check, report any symptoms, fever, rash, etc., and show vaccination certificates if required. Immigration inspection. Present your passport, visa, if needed, and completed arrival card. Counters are clearly labeled for foreigners, Chinese nationals, and sometimes for transit passengers. Biometric data collection. Fingerprints photo is standard for most non-Chinese travelers. China Airline Travel. Haplikes Thriller. Rukin China Travel. Haplikes Thriller. Wikipedia. Haplikes Thriller. Eligible passengers can use e-gates, e-channel. For faster clearance, these take about 6-10 seconds each. Beijing International Airport, PEK, Baggage Handling System Overview. Advanced High-Capacity System. Beijing Capital International Airport, especially Terminal 3, uses one of the most advanced and automated baggage handling systems, BHS, in the world. Designed to manage the high passenger volume of over 60 million travelers annually. The system is fast, efficient, and largely automated. Terminal highlights. Terminal 3, T3, built for the 2008 Olympics. It features a state-of-the-art BHS developed by Vanderland Industries. Has more than 100 km of conveyor belts, twin-level systems, and automated sorting. Uses RFID, radio frequency identification, tags for real-time tracking of bags. Sortation rate, over 19,000 bags per hour. Transfer time, under 10 minutes for most connections. How it works. Check-in. Bags are tagged and scanned at self-service kiosks or staffed counters. Conveyance. Belts automatically direct bags to a centralized sorting area. Sorting. RFID barcode scanners sort bags based on destination, gate, or connecting flight. Loading. Sorted luggage is automatically routed to the correct loading zone. Transfer and connection. For transit passengers, the system can reroute bags efficiently to connecting flights, even across terminals. Security and scanning, equipped with CT X-ray screening machines. All baggage is checked for explosives and contraband using automated threat detection. Inline scanning minimizes the need for manual inspection. Baggage claim. T1, T2, and T3 each have dedicated baggage claim halls. Electronic displays show flight numbers and carousel information. Lost and found counters are available near each claim area. Real-time baggage tracking. Some airlines operating at PEK, like Air China or China Southern, offer mobile app-based baggage tracking, SMS email notifications about baggage status, QR code scanning for quick info retrieval, oversized and special baggage. PEK has designated counters and belts for sporting equipment, musical instruments, and fragile items. Luggage wrapping and storage services are available in all terminals. Common tips for travelers. For international flights, arrive at least 3 hours early, as baggage screening may take time during peak hours. Keep baggage receipts and tags in case of claims or delayed luggage. Transfer passengers, ensure your airline handles through check-in if connecting between PEK and daxing, PKX.